Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to claim Astar rewards using the Ledger hardware. So a lot of you already have the Ledger and it's quite safe to store the Astar. 1 month ago, I made a tutorial to show you how to stake Astar on Ledger. And if you follow the tutorial, you should be able to stake your Astar. Now I'm going to show you how to claim the rewards. And so if you still remember when we have the Ledger, if you want to connect that with the Astar portal, then you can connect your Ledger to JS. So here I'm going to attach the Ledger account and select Astar, and make sure on your Ledger app you will also open the Astar and then refresh. Now I can import the account. Now after import, I should be able to see the Astar Ledger. So this is the account I'm going to connect. Make sure you click the button. So now I connect my Ledger account. You can see the Astar token on my Ledger account. Now go to the DEFI staking, and remember 1 month ago I staked my Astar. So now I'm going to show you how to claim that. Claim the Astar, sign the Ledger and approve that transaction on your Ledger. And so it's approved and successfully claim the rewards, and you can see the total earned this time, and my transferable balance is updated. You can keep claiming. That's one issue right now. So each time I cannot claim all of the errors. So it's kind of quite slow. I have to do several clicks, and after you claim that, you can also turn off the restake. So I sign that. Now I claim that again. After I turn it off, you will notice the difference. Now the transferable balance is updated because I didn't automatically restake them, and I can keep claiming and get more Astar. You can turn it on if you want. Turn it on basically means all the rewards you claimed will be restaked to the DApp. So if you don't want to have the Astar in your account, if you want to restake, then you can turn it on. Alright, so that's all what I'm going to show in this video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you have a wonderful day. Bye.